Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time you're coming here, we say a very big welcome. Guys, don't forget that February 14 is here, very close. Yes, 20% discount. When I mean 20% discount, all right? And if you're buying any product worth 50K or above 50,000, trust me, you have a free gift. A free gift for you, which is a whitening face cream as well. Okay, if you're not that type using whitening, you want a glow face cream, just tell us what you use. Okay, how expensive the face cream is a free gift for you. Trust me. Do not forget that we ship everywhere worldwide. All right, we ship everywhere worldwide. All you need to do is just go to our website and just place your order austinglobalskincare.com, or you check us on YouTube or Instagram, Facebook, TikTok as well, or the social media handle. So have this in mind. We train us. So if you want us to train you on how to make creams, different type of creams, or how to make soaps, just everything about skincare, or you're looking for a way forward to buy original, or skincare recipes, or you want to know about cosmetic, also we train also. So that is that a good one for you. Now today, like as I said, I promised to drop a video on shea butter to make a whitening cream for yourself. A lot of people will be saying now, okay, can you do something on shea butter? We have different type of butter you can use. So I want us to do use this shea butter. And first of all, one thing I want you to have in mind in this concept, what kind of color do you want to get? Do you want to get color one, color two, or you just want to get light or just caramel color? These are the first of all ideas you have in mind to go with. Once you've known, okay, this is what I want to get color one or color two. So how do you go about it? What are the recipe? I've listed out the recipe, and I would be going to the a production room to do all that, but I would just be looking from uh my phone in here, like my notepad where I've listed all the items I want to share for you, the recipe, just few recipe, and how important they are to you. You might give it any name, but we're using butters, and you can mix two different type of butter, or you can use one. All right, make sure you use the right recipes. Now, first of all, because I always put my butters inside the refrigerator. When I mean the refrigerator, inside the fridge to make them get preserved more. And how butter is oil that you can, when you want to use it, you will definitely melt it. Now you take, let's work with 200 uh, gram of the butter. All right, 200 gram of the butter. That's what I'm working with now. So we'll be using double boiler method to melt it. All right, some people do use their microwave, but anyway, like I do not, it's not advisable, right? There's a way you will heat that butter, it will lose its content. Then after you melt your butter, then you put it into a bowl. All right. Now after you put into a bowl, then what first you want to put? Like me, I would want to put all the essential oils I want to put direct. Then after that, any other additive can come through. All right. So now I will put my carrot oil. And then when I want to put my carrot oil, and remember, we're making 200 ml of this cream. So the butter already is 200 gram. We melted. So approximately we're making everything, let's say everything will go to 300 or 400. So I will be putting my, carrot oil, let's say 30 mil. All right, I'll put my carrot oil 30 mil. Then after your carrot, you all know carrot oil is mostly the one you make yourself. It's very rich, and then again, It's a healing oil, and before you will know that it's okay, it's a lightening oil, but it's also a healing oil. Carrot oil is very good for your skin. It lightens your skin so fast, and also it heals the skin. It's medicine. A lot of people don't know about that. So yes, so if you have the opportunity to produce this by yourself, which is very great, you can produce it by yourself. It's very great. So we put 30 ml of it, of your carrot oil, and then now we'll be using our coconut oil, another 30 ml of it, all right? Then we'll be using our vitamin E oil, which is very healthy. I told you if you're making any cream and you don't put vitamin E in either way, you must put vitamin E oil in either way. It might come through other oils that the essential oil that have vitamin E, or you can put it direct, which is still okay. I prefer it when you put it separately. Some lotions I might just use any other oil that contains vitamin E, but it's very rich when you put vitamin E direct, so as an oil. So that is about 90 mil. Then I will talk about our propylene glycol. You can put like, 10 mil of it. You can just put 10 ml of it, which is very okay. That's we've used already. We've used about 100 ml plus the shea butter, which is the butter itself, which is about 200 ml. So automatically 300 ml. So now, what oil else you want to use again? Now I would want to say this is for meal. I would want to say I would use my blend pronine oil, all right, to activate it more. You can use any oil of your own choice, but I will use my blend pronine oil, the same 30 ml. Then I will put my Malawi oil, the same 30 ml. Then I will put sunflower oil 10 ml. So altogether that is 30 30. That is 70. All right, 70. So altogether we've added a 170 ml of oil. Then I can now say, okay, let me put other treatment oil. So put neem oil, right? You can put 20 ml. All right. When you put it, that's 80. All right. So now what oil do you choose to put? Again, we say I have other lightning oil. You can decide to put lemon oil, or you put lime oil. So we have different oil that you can put. Just put 20 ml of it, then we good to go. Then you blend together. When you blend together, after that, if you want to put any powder, that is on you. You want to put any powder, fine. You can put any powder. If you want to put powder, if you can decide to put your Snow White powder, put any other, fine. But I wouldn't want to put powder on this. So you blend properly. You put your preservative, just you put your preservative, and then you put your fragrance, that's okay. Trust me, with this, not only just a lightning oil you've made, automatically you've made a natural organic, a natural organic body butter, that you can use at any time, that will lighten you. For those of us who don't want to just get lighter, that way, that much, that you can use this and it will really help you to help your skin. It would give you any knuckle, it will give you dark feet, you will look good, you will look amazing. you know do not forget that all this I'm telling you, do not forget that we sell all this material, all this recipe, we sell it. If you want to buy that, you can contact me via the number on your screen. Then again, we train also. And if you have opportunity to want to ask any question, feel free to ask me. Right, I won't block you. I will just ask the right question. And do not forget that you want to buy any of all these products, any of our products, you want to buy all these products, you can go to our website and do your shopping there. But if you want to chat us one on one, the number on your screen you can use to talk to us. All right. So we've come to the end of this DIY. This DIY is free. I think you might want to try this. Bye bye.